But always you can approach me by surfing, you can give the details to the forum if someone is asking. Uh, and you can really approach me at any time if you want any assistance. And I would really appreciate if there is any question from the forum.
I would request the participants to ask questions or clarify doubts if any.
I think if there are no questions.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this
Good
is
morning.
Professor Ramesh from Gupta Institute of Technology, Belagavi, Karnataka.
Oh, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Sir, what are the research opportunities in deep learning and machine learning as far as power system engineer is concerned, sir?
Yeah, there are many opportunities in terms of deep learning. We have many wind energy research areas, especially in the area of research and wind energy. You wanted to, like when you wanted to predict the LVRT, low voltage ride through. Like
Yes,
at
sir.
low voltage ride through capability, what are the fault conditions that has to be, predominantly sensed. That is, LVRT is being implemented in most of the TNEB power sectors currently, and they are
Yes, sir.
stressing more on it. That is one of the open challenge, LVRT implementation and the prediction of fault for an rarely occurring fault. That is, some rarely occurring fault with less fault duration would affect the system performance to the drastic level, though it is a rare occurring fault, right? For example,
Yes, sir.
unsymmetrical faults.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
so these kind of faults has to be taken into account, and also high impedance fault analysis, where
Yes,
you
sir.
need to have the predictive control maintenance in a very decisive way and also in a very appropriate way in order to meet out the system synchronization and also to mitigate the system synchronization issues. That is where your deep learning could be effectively utilized. And one more thing, in terms of power systems, that's what I've given you on research issue currently during this session, COVID
Yes, yes,
in
sir.
relation with power and energy sector. That is one of the fantastic research issue currently, as I have been exploring on that. Like you can try, like giving solution by forecasting the energy demand. You have the
Yes, sir.
existing power system, right? You know what is
Yes,
the
sir.
difference between the existing power system and the restructured power system. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
restructured power system you already know in terms of electricity deregulation, but when
Yes,
it
sir.
comes to this COVID pandemic has impacted even the restructured power system as well. That's what I will say. So what you do is you predict the forecasting challenges and also try to give some solution by means of predicting the forecast. What would be the solution for the future? So you can predict it by means of this deep learning. So first predict the challenges that are faced in the power system by implementing the forecasting models, by assessing the COVID oriented power and energy data. That is one of the
Okay.
main thing that I would say in terms of forecasting. And also you have something called solar PV, and there are many people working on improving the efficiency of the solar PV, right?
Yes.
Solar
Yes, sir.
PV efficiency is being improved by many researchers around the world. Even I have worked on that area as well. I have improved the efficiency of the PV. So when I do the performance analysis, I do only for a particular season. I cannot do for the overall year. So
Yes, sir.
in that case, if I do the testing for the method what I have introduced in my solar PV, okay, but
Yes,
I
sir.
can test it for a particular month or for a particular day or for a particular week. If I wanted to, do for a for an annual performance, I have to depend on the forecasting model. So annual performance of any newly developed model can also be one of the research challenge. So these are all the various research challenges which you could, which you could implement in the using the deep learning models for the energy problems.
Sure, sir. I am trying to do that. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Asardin, I think it is done for the day.
Yes, sir. If there are no more doubts, we can close. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us. And
Thanks. Yeah.
sorry, participants, for the interruption that happened in between.